Hi guys and welcome to another video. So let's talk about the if statement. In this video I'm gonna talk about how to use it more specifically. So what we're gonna do is basically write a simple statement. Okay, yeah, I've just closed my solution. I'm gonna open up again. So open solution. Let's see if I can find it or not. So sharp develop projects. CS tutors. That's my solution. I'm gonna open up. So what we're gonna do is basically write a program that is capable of telling. Okay. So to do that, we're gonna write a simple statement. Okay. Let's start by writing a simple statement if one is equal one, which means that we are asking C sharp if 1 is equal to 1. And if it is, okay, we're going to print this. 1 is equal to 1. So you guys need to pay attention. You can just change this to true because 1 is equal 1 is an expression that we return a bool data type. So it basically will return a true in this case, and because of that, it is going to execute this console.writeLine. Okay, so as you guys can see, we have this pretty simple. But if I want something more fancy, I could do the following. Okay, I'm gonna read someone's age. Let's create a variable called age. Let's initialize as being equals 0. We're gonna type a message, enter your age, and we're gonna read someone's age. Let's use age. Let's use the int 32 dot convert dot parse actually parse console dot readline. So what we're gonna do here is basically show this message and read what the person's typed, and we're gonna try to parse this. Actually, we're gonna parse this into an integer data type, and then so just for the sake of this part, I'm gonna just print age so we can see that everything's working. So you guys can see we have enter your age. I'm gonna enter 9. I'm gonna increase the font a little bit. Font 36 for the next time. So what we can do now, because age is a number, we can make comparison, such as if age is less than 18, we can print the message less than 18. So if you execute now and I type, for instance, 16, we're gonna see this message, okay, less than 18. And if I execute again and try to enter 21, we're not going to see nothing because there's no other routine for this code. Okay, so this is the video, guys. I hope you like and see you guys next time.